1 year already. It feels like that just yesterday I embarked on this journey of Real Estate 360 with Sonal. Here we laughed, we learned, we explained, we shared the exciting news of the world. Incredibly grateful for every single one of you. Remember, when we debated mutual fund versus real estate, or these incredible tips on boosting your home's value, those were just the beginning. We tackled everything of year 2024, from building your kids' credit to launching a successful short-term rental business. And the response is phenomenal. It's been overwhelming. I'm so grateful to every one of you. I have reached 100,000 views and fantastic community of 1.5K subscribers, 1,500 subscribers. I'm truly humbled by your support and enthusiasm. If I could meet each one of you face to face and share the incredible journey, I would. Your comments, your questions, and encouragement has given me a passion to help others and navigate the world of real estate. But the adventure doesn't stop here. Year 2025, I'm on a mission to positively impact 10,000 lives. We will dive deep into negotiating skills, the art of home staging, importance of choosing the rental property, importance of choosing investment if it's commercial, and the neighborhood and which one is a perfect rental home or perfect home for you to live. But if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like, subscribe, and comments, because that's what keeps me going on and on and on. Thank you all very much, and wishing you everybody in 2025 Happy New Year.